Let's talk about a question I get all the time from job campaigners who are ready for a meaningful, up-leveled work experience. Here it is. Why does my resume seem to go into a black hole? So good to be with you today. And notice we're in inspiration mode. And I'm going to tell you what that means right this minute. So I am Lyndon Kidd, career strategist with Captivating Careers, your extra set of sharp eyes in your job campaign. Let's talk about a question I get all the time from job campaigners who are ready for a meaningful, up-leveled work experience. Here it is. Why does my resume seem to go into a black hole? One big reason is applicant tracking systems, also known as ATSs for short. Those digital gatekeepers that scan your resume before a human ever sees it. But here's the good news. You can beat the bots. And today I'll show you how to use AI as your ally to optimize your resume so it's not just seen, but actually moves you forward. That's exciting to think about, isn't it? So what is an ATS really? An ATS is simply a software tool that companies use to sort, rank, and filter job applications. It looks for keywords, formatting job titles, and experience matches based on what's in the job description or the job announcement. If your resume is missing the just right words, has fancy formatting, or buries the lead, the ATS may say no match, no mas. It's not personal, it's mechanical. But that's where we get strategic. How can AI help this? AI tools such as ChatGPT or other resume optimizers can help you customize each resume to align with the job description in minutes, not hours. And here's a quick 3-step method that you can try right now. First, copy the job posting. No, you don't need all of the detail, but you need the rudiments of the job and what they're saying are the preferred qualifications, etc. And then you paste it into your preferred AI tool. In ChatGPT, the prompt may sound something like this. Based on this job description, what keywords and skills should I highlight in my resume? And then say, here's my current resume. Help me tailor it for this specific role. Now, I want you to be thoughtful. You don't want to upload your personal information. You do want to upload the job title and all of the customization for the rest of your resume that you've already massaged, if you will. And part of the reason for that, let me give you an example, because AI learns based on what it does. So if you're using a general AI, you're not going to upload your, say, tax records because you don't want somebody saying, oh, what are Lyndon Kidd's tax records? Because AI learns from everything it does, it would then probably show you my tax records. So I don't want you to do that, which is why we protect your personal information. So the third step was, here's my current resume. Help me tailor it for us, the specific role. And then what you do is let AI do the heavy lifting, like suggesting keyword swaps, clarifying your accomplishments, or rewriting your summary to better match the job language better. Think of it as a second pair of eyes, only faster and way less judgy than anybody else who might be looking at your resume. All right, the next common pitfalls. A few things that can trip up applicant tracking systems, even with AI help. So be aware of these. Graphics and text boxes. These may look pretty, but ATSs can't read them. And then uncommon headings. We like to be creative sometimes, but stick with plain language like work experience or skills, or please don't use something like my journey. And then PDF versus Word doc. I used to recommend PDFs all the time, but unless the job post says otherwise or the applicant tracking system gives you other instructions, please use Word or some other general document format. Use AI to simplify, not stylize. Clarity beats cleverness, especially with software and machines, which is all we're talking about with an applicant tracking system. So here's some final tips. And the big idea is you're not trying to trick an applicant tracking system. You're trying to speak its language. And AI tools can help you translate your brilliance into keywords that get seen. Your experience matters. Your skills are valuable. Let's make sure you get through the digital gatekeepers so a real person can say, yeah, let's talk. I'm Lyndon Kidd at Captivating Careers, and we want to help you find work that works for you with smart tools, heart-centered coaching, and strategies that work. This stuff works. Let's use it. Good luck.